our tutorial video for the first pattern we're going to learn in Hey There, Delilah. So as you can see, I've got my keys. Are you ready? Dun, dun, dun. And you'll be able to see the notes on the screen. I'm going to play them higher, just so you can see where they're pitched, but you can play them lower too. So the first part we're going to learn is the chord progression with our A5. And A5 means A plus 5 including A. So A, B, C, D, E, A and E. So we're going to squash A and E. I'm going to use, if we're doing it with our left hand, our pinky and thumb. If we're doing it with our right hand, our thumb and pinky. And the reason we're going to do that is because we're going to jump between A5 and C sharp 5. So C sharp 5 is our C sharp and our G sharp. And you can see them highlighted in purple on the screen. So can you have a go of finding your A5, then your C sharp 5. And for the intro, we're just going to play A5, C sharp 5, A5, C sharp 5. Excuse me, please. And we're going to count each of those for 4 counts. So A, 2, 3, 4, C sharp, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, C sharp, 2, 3, 4. So spend a couple of minutes just getting really comfortable with the A and C sharp movement, because then when we sing the melody over the top, I'm not warmed up, so this may sound a bit rough. We're going to use that progression. So we've got, hey there Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty. Oh wow, so you already know how to do that. It's just A5, C sharp 5 until we get to our next chord. So let's do that again. Can you sing it with me? We're going to do the verse now. So we're going to start with the Hey There, Delilah. Ready? Play and sing with me if you can, or just play or just sing. But if you're learning the chord progressions, maybe give it a go playing it. So we're going to start, remember, with our A5. 1, 2, 3, and... Hey there Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty. Yes, you do. Here's our new chord. F sharp 5. So we're going to find F sharp and C sharp. Let's try that again. Here we go. Just from the singing bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey there Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty. Yes, you do. And that's all we're going to do this week. So can you have some fun with that? Let me know how you go and reach out if you have any questions.